What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Carpenter with Ready Light Media and Next Level Workshops. Last week in my studio, I had my friend Bray here, and we were testing out this product called Photo Skin. And if you're wondering what Photo Skin is, well, stick around and find out. So what this product is it's a spray that you spray on your skin, and it kind of gives your body this glossy look, as if you've got like a natural sweat or something like that. The cool thing is it's 100% organic. It's really easy to use. All you do is you spray it on, rub it in, and it gives you this nice shine that you would use in maybe swimwear, fitness. Since I wasn't shooting swimwear or fitness, we did something a little bit different for this. I guess we'll call it a review. But we just kind of shot a product as if this company hired us to shoot. So we did basically a little bit like a product portrait of what I would call it. So what I want to do is I want to work from the back forward and showing my light setup for this whole shot. My first light, my backlight, my background light was a Profoto A2. And then I had this rose pink gel, just a click gel. You can go and throw it on there. It clicks right in. And then to kind of narrow that spread of light to get a little more of a defined line in the background, I just threw on this Click Magnum. So now we have our background light up on a boom, kind of angled at the wall, shining down, giving us a nice spread, but it's still kind of got a nice line across the background as well. Moving forward, I had another A2 with a Click 2.7 Octa, and then in that one I had a jade gel. And that was hitting a little bit of the background, hitting a little bit of her, but with just those two lights where it was just the gelled light, it was a little bit too saturated for my taste. So I brought in another B10 with a 3-foot Octa, and that kind of became my key light. So that one was just a neutral colored light with no gel or anything like that. Just camera left, angle down at a 45-degree angle, hitting her. It was pretty close, so the fall off wasn't affecting the background too much, which is what I wanted, because I really just wanted to have that light hitting her. Just to the left of that, I had a V-flat on the white side, which was doing a couple things. So first, it was blocking off any light that could have spilled from my background light from hitting Bray directly. And also, it was acting as a little bit of a kickback from that jade gel. So we just got a little bit of that hitting both the background and a little bit on the right side of Bray. Finally, to add a little bit of interest to the background, I had a B10X Plus with an optical snoot and the insert that looked kind of like the palm tree pattern. That was overhead, hitting that background so it didn't hit her directly at all. I defocused it a little bit so it wasn't too distracting, and that just brought us into that kind of tropical environment. And then obviously we're talking about Photo Skin here. So to wrap this all up, to bring it all together, I had her kind of spray some of that on her, and that gave her this really nice sheen on her arms, on her whole body. And then I had her hold it in the shot because we were kind of doing a product portrait for this. So I'll send it to them, they can use it, we'll see. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and follow Ready Light Media. Go check me out online at nextlevelworkshops.com. Join me at an upcoming workshop. And if you have any questions or comments, leave those below, and I'll see you at the next one.